Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable cookies prompts on Safari for smoother UX reviews. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open Safari on your Mac. Locate the Safari menu in the top left corner of your screen. Click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, select the Privacy tab. Look for the option labeled Cookies and Website Data. Under this section, find the button that says Manage Website Data. Click on it to view a list of websites storing cookies on your browser. You can choose to remove specific websites or clear all data if needed. To prevent cookie prompts in the future, adjust the settings in the Cookies and Website Data section. Select Block All Cookies for a more restrictive approach. Keep in mind that blocking all cookies might limit your browsing experience. Another option is to select Allow from Websites I Visit, which offers a balanced approach. Close the Preferences window once your settings are adjusted. Restart Safari to ensure that your new settings take effect. Visit websites to confirm that cookie prompts are minimized or disabled. Remember that some site features may not work as intended with certain cookie settings. Adjust your preferences as needed for optimal usability while exploring. This process will help streamline your browsing experience for smoother user experience reviews. Always stay informed about the impact of cookie management on website functionality. Make any further adjustments as necessary based on your browsing needs. Enjoy a more seamless experience browsing the web. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve accounts. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.